Wishing you all a very bright, shiny Sunday. Making the video in this attire because I love how I look and I love how I feel wearing something so fancy. Uh, आज दो इंसिडेंट्स हुए जो मेरे को आके यहाँ पे बताना है. So the first one was uh, two people said the same thing about the dress, right? Somebody said, why are you wearing something that's so simple? And somebody most unexpected came and told, you're looking good. So I, being the positive person, I will choose the positive comment. um, and I think you should too. I mean, लोग बोलेंगे कि ये क्यों पहना है, वो क्यों पहना है. आप don't even try to think what the perspective was, because don't. But do what makes you feel good. I mean, I chose to wear this because I love it. Okay, the second incident, I met an auntie. She didn't know what I do for a living, and I knew who she was, but I didn't know her so much to, like, have a conversation. So we were sitting and having lunch or langar together. She started saying that, have you ever tried, so I mean, they were both roti and rice, right? And I prefer rice over roti any day, because gluten, or it just makes me feel bloated. It's not for me. Maybe it might be for you, but not for me. So I took rice, she took roti, she did not take rice. And that's how the conversation started. She was like, beta roti nahi liya. I was like, nahi auntie, I mean, I if there's a preference, I would prefer rice. And I asked the same, and she told I would prefer roti. That's where the conversation started. Now, she told that, have you ever tried sambar vada, जो उडुपी वगैरह में मिलता है, with roti, like break the vada into the sambar and then have it with roti. It'll taste yum. I was like, yeah, yeah, auntie, I'll definitely try. And then she's like, have you ever had, I mean, the whole conversation was around food. uh, so she mentioned, have you ever tried fried idli? And I don't know, auntie. I mean, I've had that तड़के वाली इडली जो यूजुअली नहीं करते कि इडली बच जाती है तो तड़का लगा के खा लिया. I told her I had that idli, auntie. I've never had a fried idli. I mean, is it the same? So she's like, no, I'm talking about the deep fried idli. And I told, no, auntie. I mean, uh, I am very conscious about what I eat. I didn't want to, make it like a deal that what I do, but I just told very casually that I do prefer having something that's not deep fried. So she was like, अरे नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. I mean, you should eat. तेल अंदर नहीं जाएगा तो strong कैसे बनेंगे? Once in a while, it's okay. You should try deep fried at least sometime. And then she started telling कि देखो हम तो deep fried ही खाते आए हैं. हमें कुछ हुआ है क्या? And then in my mind, the conversation was going that, and I wouldn't know how your blood reports are, right? I mean, the health coach in me was giving that background noise, but I thought कि it's okay. I mean, if she was very old. By very old, I mean बहुत old थे वो. So I was like, if she has this picture in her mind, I mean, at that age, I wouldn't want to ruin it for her. I wouldn't want to break her heart. And शी टोल्ड कि हमने तो इतने साल डीप फ्राइड ही खाया है, ऐसी मेरे को कुछ हुआ है क्या? एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आंटी वॉज ओवरवेट, and I think she was obese class 2 or 3 at least. um, Again, I'm not judging her for her food choices. It's just what I'm just trying to क्या बोलते, share a conversation that happened, right? So हाँ, जो है कि हम तो ऐसे ही बड़े हुए हैं बेटा, ऐसे कुछ हुआ है क्या? मेरे को कुछ नहीं हुआ है. आजकल के बच्चे बहुत सोचते हैं, बट व्हाई डू दे थिंक दिस इज़ हाउ हम बड़े हुए हैं, कुछ नहीं हुआ तो खाना चाहिए एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड देन शी सेड, डू यू ऑल्सो वांट टू हैव, तो खीर थी इन द लंगर. She said कि दोबारा you want to have another serving of kheer? I think no auntie. And then she's like, अरे मतलब, are you still thinking about your health? You should eat, it's okay. And I told her कि auntie, no, मतलब I do eat when I'm out usually, but I would not go in for a second serving. I mean, I had the first serving also because it was a prasad, right? So that's how the conversation went. And then she also told me that you should, I mean, she said a 3 4 things more that I should try, out of which I think one or two again were deep fried. So, I mean, it was a very humbling experience because anybody who meets, I feel I'm talking like a star. So, anybody who meets me knows what I do. And they tell, Are, you're in health and you're doing good. I see your videos, I love it. That's how people come and talk to me. And this auntie gave me a very different picture of what मैं नाना जी के एज की होंगी. And she gave me a perspective of what that age people think. She was like, कि, until my 20s, I had only ghee and not a spoon of oil. And everything जो deep fry होता था वो घी में होता था. Back then purity of ghee was also amazing. आजकल see, I'm not telling कि हर जगह ही impure and adulterated घी मिलता है, but you never really know. So unless your sources are trusted, so I'm nobody to make comments on that again. So वो बहुत ही humbling experience था for me to get a different perspective on what people of that age think eating healthy is. And I mean, she was telling me कि घर पे हम बनाते हैं. She loves the combination of सांबर, वड़ा, चूचूर with roti. So I'll try it for sure. Interesting लगा मेरे को, वड़ा और सांबर अच्छा लगता है. वो अलग बात है, मैं बहुत रेयरली खाती हूँ, बट आई लव दैट कॉम्बिनेशन, सो आई कांट वेट टू ट्राई. बट फ्राइड इडली, मेरे को इडली इडली जैसे ही पसंद है. आई मीन, जी पोड़ी इडली इज़ ऑल्सो not my thing. It's just idli and sambar for me if I'm having idli. Otherwise, I'm a big fat dosa person. मेरे को तीनों टाइम डोसा दे दो, खुशी खुशी खा लूँगी मैं. So I'll try the vada sambar and roti wala thing. And yeah, I mean, it's sometimes good to have different perspectives. The other day, Nanaji was talking about how he views life from his eyes, right? And I've heard this or read it from so many different books about the perspective he gave me. He, every minute of your life should be ऐसा कि अगर आप किसी के साथ हो तो that person should be happy of your company, and that person shouldn't feel that either you are burdening her on or the person is burdening you. वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. And Nana ji lives it. Like, uh, if you've known Nana ji, वो रास्ते में कोई भी चलता फिरता जाएगा, he will um, talk to them, he will offer toffees if they're kids. बड़े हैं तो he will start a conversation, treat them nicely, offer them some thing that's in the house that is available with purest of intentions. So I manifest for my life to be like that, that I treat every single person whom I cross paths with utmost respect and gratitude. And थोड़ा सा भी नेगेटिव ख्याल ना आए किसी के भी बारे में. And only learn and improve as much as I can till the last breath. And yeah, I think this is it for today's Sunday video. A pretty video with sunlight on my face. I'm gonna take some pictures. And yeah, Shreya signing off. Let me know if you would want me to make more videos on different topics, right? मतलब कोई भी topic of your choice, let me know. I would love to make some content around it. Okay, bye with my Sundari Sundari dupatta. So I have one which is like the real Fulkari. This is just a print, but it looks so pretty. I have one Fulkari wala bhi. I'll wear it sometime. मतलब वो मम्मी को जिद कर करके मैंने बोला था दिला दो दिला दो दिला दो, आज तक नहीं पहना है. I will plan to wear it on Baisakhi because I might have plans. So stay tuned. And अगर यहाँ तक रुके हो तो love you all. Keep supporting each other also, and keep loving, keep spreading love, and most importantly, बहुत गर्मी हो रही है, stay hydrated people, and take care. Bye bye.